Wagwan YouTube family, welcome back to another video. In today's recipe, I'm going to make ackee and saltfish with boiled food. If you find this video useful, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new. So to start, I'm going to prepare my dough to make my cornmeal dumpling. I have a video uploaded on the channel on how to make the boiled dumpling, just in case you're watching and you are not sure how to make cornmeal boiled dumpling. So I'll put the link in the description box. You can go ahead and check that video out. Alright, so the dumpling is all done. So what I'm going to do is just to transfer them to the boiling water. I'm also going to add some green banana and also some Sylvan's yam. For the ackee, I have here some frozen ackee. So I'm just going to add that to the boiling water and allow them to boil until they are well cooked. So the boiling water with the boiled food, I'm going to add some saltfish. You could add the saltfish to the pot with the ackee, but I choose to add the saltfish with the boiled food so to prevent the foods from staining. So the boiled food is all done. Afterwards, we're going to prepare the season for the ackee and saltfish. So the ackee is all done. So you want to drain the water from the ackee. So afterwards, I'm going to add some coconut oil to the frying pan and saute my vegetables. Afterwards, I'm also going to add the saltfish and the cooked ackee. So the ackee is already cooked. So after sauteing the vegetables and the saltfish, you're just going to dump the ackee in the frying pan. Turn the flame to very low, cover the pot and allow it to steam for about 2 to 5 minutes. Afterwards, you're all done. And you know we can't live with scotch bonnet pepper. And this is our ackee and the saltfish. I hope you guys enjoy this video.